Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today it is part 2 of bagging the WRX. As you can see and probably hear, I am pretty sweaty, I'm out of breath. That is because I have spent the last 20-30 minutes just doing as much as I can before Chris arrives to help me install the bags. And don't get it wrong, Chris isn't installing the bags for me. He's actually helping me out and teaching me how to install them. Hopefully he can explain everything to me today, so then I can do everything else by myself. And I will big shout out to Chris for helping me out and actually taking the time out of his day to come out to my house to help me out with this. We got Matthew just pulled up right now. We actually are going to remove some of the trunk liner right here. These side pieces here, we're gonna remove some of these side pieces, as well as move the compressor to the right a little bit more, because that hose right there cannot reach the side of the tank that it needs to get into. So let's get started. Okay guys, trunk is gutted as well as the back seats. We have no trim as well on the car. Right there, we're gonna be running the harness and the air hoses through there, all the way through the front of the car. And it is going to come out of the firewall, which is behind this. I need to remove the fender liners right now. All that just to reach that little hole right there. Oh my god. Hey, where you at, bro? I'm about to be there.
You about to be there today, huh?
I'm about to be there. Everybody, as you can notice, Chris just got here. We're trying to fix things up right now. We're moving the compressor to the other side because we need to route some of the wires that won't reach that.
That good.
Stupid.
With that important shit.
But right now we're gonna wire, like I said, the harness and the air lines to the car. Right now, I'm going to put the manifold in the same exact spot that Chris did his, which is actually on the side right here. So it's gonna lay on the other side on the inside. And it's gonna be right there. We need to drill out some of these holes to make them bigger to fit this bolt inside. But other than that, pretty simple to drill it out, put it in, and then the hardest part though, just the harness and everything. Everything else should be super simple though. How do you zoom with this thing? Right. You get the wire in there? Or show me how to do it? So it obviously comes from back there, and I just honestly just followed like this little valley area. So it's like under the seat, and it goes literally under the mat. And I'll show you why I do that little wire thing, like right here. So that you see the wire, like the white one right here. Yeah. So you can just like easily pull it, and it'll just feed it through all this because you can't reach behind there. You know? I see. Like the hardest part? Or no, the hardest part's the firewall, right? Yeah, like right down there. But that's why I asked you about the wire thing, because you like you can pull it. Yeah. It makes it much easier. Sometimes it comes off though. Yeah, I see. Just makes your life easier. You know what you need a tutorial on? Huh? How to bend your hats. Bro, they bend so perfectly. That was so funny when I saw that. I saw that one too. I was like, I thought about it. I'm like, dude, your hats actually bend like really well. Little nipple. Yeah. Just cut it off. I see. Whew. Okay, y'all, there we go. So we finally took us a very long time to get this wire through the firewall. Now we're gonna do the exact same thing with the airlines, going all the way through the bottom of the trim through here, and then this wire connects to your battery. accelerating. Yo! No fucking way! Oh my god! Dude, look at that! The camera died. What happened?
The front's lowered.
Yo! No way.
Shit.
What's it doing now?
Checking rear.
Checking rear. Oh my god, guys. Sorry if the audio sounds different and everything. The camera died, but still.
Oh, calibration successful. System ready to use.
Really?
Oh my god, alright. Go. It's your time to shine.
You guys ready?
Wait. No.
There we go, guys. This is my ride height actually, so I love it. The ride height is actually super neat, looks really good. And now Jericho's gonna go set up the car for some photos here. I'll put you guys right there. All right, what's going on, guys? It is the end of the video, and first and foremost, I want to give a big shout out to Chris for actually coming and helping me out. It really means a lot that you came out, and you're probably watching the video, so I just want you to know that I really appreciate you coming out. I know you're a busy man, you got a lot of things to do, but coming out just help someone like me install, you know, something as hard as bags. So it's pretty simple now that you explained it, but doing all that for me really means a lot to me. So I want to thank you from the bottom of my heart, and I really appreciate you a lot, man. The audio might be weird. We're underneath a freeway right now. Some of you guys might know this spot, local spot in San Diego, really cool spot. A lot of people take pictures. I got Jericho and Jan back there with me, and I'm having a great time. And most and foremost, the car is now bagged. That's the craziest thing, guys. The car is bagged, and I'm super hyped. And they're next. They don't know it yet, but they're all next, and we're gonna be recording that and installing their bags. This time, I'm gonna be helping them because Chris taught me how to do it, and I'm gonna teach them how to do it. But I like to end this video off by just some nice words, some inspiring words here. I actually have a buddy who actually moved out of San Diego to pursue his dreams in LA to become an actor right now. You know, that really means a lot to me because we're both two kids from our hometown here, and we're chasing our dreams right now. And I mean, even though I don't get that many views in my video, it still means a lot that 50 or 100 of you guys are taking time out of your day to watch a video that I made that's, you know, an everyday thing in my life. And that really means a lot to me. I just most definitely appreciate every single one of you guys who watch my videos and actually genuinely supports it. Like you, Chris, I know definitely you watch my videos, and that's actually super crazy to me that you watch my videos. And you know, I watch your videos too as well, but it's crazy that someone like you is watching videos from a guy like me. So I really want to end this video by saying I want you guys to chase your dreams and don't let anyone stop you from it. It's either one day you're gonna do this, or is it day one? That's a quote that really inspires me, guys. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I most definitely enjoyed the video. I had fun, a lot of fun editing it. I had a lot of fun, you know, just doing all the things to it. I'm gonna start editing my videos with a lot more effort now, just like this video. And I'm just having a lot of fun with it, guys. And I appreciate every single one of you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I will see you guys next time, very soon. A lot more videos coming up. I'm actually starting to enjoy making videos again. That's a really good thing. So I will see you guys next time. Hope you guys have a great day. Bye.